Find out component or projection of 2i caret plus j caret on I caret minus j caret. Here I caret and j caret are the unit vector along x and y axis. So first of all, 2i plus j is considering as a vector and I minus j is considering as b vector. So here question is component of A on B. Component or projection of A vector on B vector. That is called A cos theta. And A cos theta can be written as A dot B upon B, because A vector dot B vector is AB cos theta. So A cos theta is A vector dot B vector upon B. Now what is A dot B? 2i caret dot I caret, that is 2. J caret dot minus j caret, that is minus 1. B, magnitude of B vector is square root of coefficient of I, that is 1 square, plus square of coefficient of j, that is minus 1 square. So answer is 1 upon root 2. Thank you.